awubhora TikTok these days. Akho lutho nje ehlekisayo. Yini ndaba guys, ni right?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Iya trendy content creator aphinze lapho futhi abe actor aphinze abe YouTuber guys esibala ntoni nasisho uLerato Nxumalo after ugel akhulume ukuthi ulapha eSweden and usebenza as a packer just to make extra coins ke sana extra income. You know ukuthi ugel uYouTuber content creator usebenza nema-brands yonke into guys ugel uyayenda into njena lemfakela machankuru ugel uthi yazini I'm in. So uthi ugel u-earna 20k in 2 days ke sana, and people were like hayi girl awukhonakali phela ukuthi ungasplug so people are just saying ukuthi girl awusplug nathi singamuva sitohlala lapha eSweden ubeyipheka u-estol upakete into u-earne 20k in 2 days. Ngeke ukubone lokho lamzansi udohola 4k in a month ke sana. So people are saying ukuthi girl awusplug or awusplug. We know guys ukuthi uLerato nemali, so we can't even say ukuthi hey you broke like you nemanga ngekusho lokho. We know ukuthi girl unemali and une fiance lenemali and ugela asho ukuthi la kunemali khona nje mina ngiphakathi. So people are saying ukuthi girl awusplug unathi 20k in 2 days siyamfuna phela. So guys yabona ukuthi amantombazana asebenza la ngaphandle, life it's expensive, and if ufuna kuphila impilo le right you have to work and work very hard. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. This is the end of my video. I am signing out. Goodbye.